If you're serious about capturing every detail on the road, day or night, front, back, and even inside your car, the Redtiger F17 Elite 4K dash cam might just be what you've been waiting for. Whether you're driving to work, heading on a road trip, or parked on a busy street, this thing's watching out for you. Let's see what makes the F17 Elite one of the smartest upgrades for your car. First up, let's talk about the design. The F17 Elite is sleek, compact, and practically invisible behind your mirror. It mounts cleanly with no hanging cables, thanks to the included clips and low-profile adhesive. And right up front is a 3-inch touchscreen that's surprisingly responsive. You can control settings, swipe through footage, and even rearrange the icons to suit your own layout. No digging through confusing menus. Just tap, swipe, and go. Now, let's talk quality. The F17 Elite gives you 3 angles of protection, with 4K front, 2.5K rear, and 1080p cabin recording. That's a full 360-degree view around your vehicle. And it's not just about resolution, it's the sensors that power it. You're getting dual Sony Starvis 2 sensors, the IMX678 and IMX675, with dual HDR built in. So even when you're driving at night or through tough weather, your footage is sharp, vibrant, and packed with detail. License plates, road signs, or even faces, all easy to make out when it matters most. But here's where things get really cool. The F17 Elite has industry-first full-color night vision. Other dash cams switch to grainy black and white when it's dark. This one still captures in full color, even under streetlights or with almost no lighting. Thanks to advanced color restoration tech and Starvis 2, you'll actually see what's happening, not just guess based on shadows. Even while you're parked, the F17 keeps working. With G-sensor auto event detection and 24-hour parking mode, it records the moment motion or impact is detected, and it still be recording in full color even when parked in the dark. So if someone bumps your car or tries something shady, you've got clear and usable evidence. It also supports time-lapse mode, giving you a condensed highlight reel of what happened around your car while you were away. Need to check footage or send a clip? The 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi 6 on the F17 lets you download videos fast up to 30 megabytes per second straight to the Redtiger app. Way faster and more stable than most dash cams using older Wi-Fi bands. It also comes with built-in GPS, so every clip is tagged with your speed, route, and location, and you can view it all on a synced map through the Redtiger player. Whether it's for road trips, incident reports, or insurance, this feature is gold. You can even talk to the F17 with built-in voice control, start recording, take a snapshot, or mute audio, all hands-free. Perfect when you're driving solo and need to react fast. And if you're driving passengers and want more privacy, you can turn off the cabin cam or switch modes easily. Front rear only, or front plus cabin, whatever suits the moment. Oh, and the lenses are physically movable, so you can fine-tune the viewing angles exactly how you want them. The F17 comes ready to go with a 128GB memory card pre-installed and supports up to 512GB if you ever want more. With loop recording, it continuously overwrites old footage, unless the built-in G-sensor locks the file after a collision. It's smart, simple, and reliable, so you don't have to babysit your storage, worried about the heat or freezing cold mornings. The supercapacitor in the F17 Elite replaces traditional lithium batteries, so it performs better and lasts longer, even in extreme temperatures. And Redtiger backs this dashcam with 18 months of warranty and 24/7 customer support. Inside the box, you get the 4K F17 Elite dashcam, a 2.5K rear camera plus 18-fit cable, a 128GB TF card pre-installed, USB-C car charger, mounts, cable clips, manuals, and more. Installation is beginner-friendly, and with everything labeled, you'll be up and running in 15 to 20 minutes max. All in all, the Redtiger F17 Elite isn't just a dashcam, it's a triple-channel, AI-enhanced, night-ready privacy-conscious security system for your car. So if you want the full view, full control, and full confidence on every drive, this is the dashcam to get. Let me know in the comments what feature impressed you the most, and hit that subscribe button if you want more reviews like this. See you in the next one.